In this video, I'll go through the steps you need to follow to verify your website in Search Console using the HTML file upload method. In order to complete this process, you'll need to have permission to upload the file to your website, where it can be accessed by a browser. In order to verify your website using HTML file upload, you'll need to have permission to upload a file to your website where it can be accessed by a browser. After you click Add Property, add your website URL under the URL prefix option and click Continue. Expand the HTML file section where you'll find the file download button. Download your HTML verification file and upload it to the root directory of the property you want to verify. For example, if you want to verify www.example.com, then the root directory is the homepage. If you want to verify www.example.com/party, then the root directory is /party/. In this case, you would upload the file to /party/ and all child directories would be verified. Note that you can use this file in any site you want to verify. It's personalized to your user and can be reused. Once you complete this step, click Verify in Search Console. If you perform the steps above correctly, verification should work immediately. If it doesn't, click the full details link to learn about potential errors. You can find out more about those errors and how to handle them in the Help Center. Thanks for watching, and check the Google Webmasters YouTube channel for more videos on Search Console.